And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hey Sea Lions, welcome to the 23rd episode of the Sea Lion Splash. Hang on, lace up those boots, and get ready because we have a lot in store for you. But we're going to start off with a recap of skate night.
Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Welcome to skate night!
Get ready, Sea Lions, for this week's announcements.
The entire McGaw community wants to say thank you to each winner of the Honorary Service Award. Thank you for all that you've done to make McGaw a world-class school. Let's celebrate this year's award winners.
Valeria Jopkin, Captain Nicholas Inyosa, Leslie Obert, Karen Harsey, Stacia Walker, Jenny DeSelm. Congratulations! We love you!
Our fourth graders have been preparing for a long time, and it's finally here. Your performance is going to be this Tuesday. I know that you are going to have an amazing show. Wednesday is college day, so make sure you're wearing your very best college gear and are ready to talk to your family members about the cool things that you want to do with your future. Attention all JOG-A-THON winners, your foam party is coming up this Wednesday after school, so make sure that you're ready for that exciting party with all your friends. Thanks so much for your donations. Not a day goes by when a scholar doesn't approach me and asks, "Hey, Mr. Larson, how can I be in the Sea Lion Splash?" Well, I have finally found a way for you to participate. I want to introduce you to Flip. Flip is an online community that is free to all members, and it allows us to record short videos that can be shared and moderated by yours truly. You can begin to use Flip to share videos by going to this QR code. Go ahead and pause it here so you can zap this with your phone or with a webcam. Our very first Flip challenge is going to be centered on the month of the military child. So if you want to share a message of encouragement to all of our military families, join Flip and leave a video. If you are a military family yourself and you want to talk about what it means to be in the military or some cool things that you've done in the military, well, join Flip. Get involved and join Flip today so you can be ready for the next challenge.
By the dawn's early light, was so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming.
Welcome to McGaw Elementary School, the school by the sea.
This is a place where we celebrate academic success,
kindness, and collaboration.
We know that by working hard today, we can have a brighter future.
McGaw Sea Lions show up on time
and accept the challenge to learn new things.
We strive to be our very best each and every day.
Our scholars get to take risks and be celebrated for trying.
It's a place where you can make a huge impact no matter how long you've been a student here. We are so excited to have you along for the journey.
McGaw!
There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus.
Bye.
Bye.